So see this problem. First of all, see second one. If ABC are the angles in a triangle, that means sum of the angles equal to 180 degrees. So with that condition, we have to prove cos A plus cos B minus cos C is equal to 1 plus 4 into cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. He may be asked cos A plus cos B plus cos C, cos A minus cos B plus cos C, like that. The symbols are not important. So way of approach is important. Okay. So now take here the condition is sum of the angle 180. That means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So now take LHS. Now LHS is equal to cos A plus cos B minus cos C. Choose any two out of these three. Select two functions and apply transformations. Our aim is we have to bring this sum of the terms into product of terms. We have to change it. Okay. So sum to product, we have to apply transformations. So now try to apply for the first two functions. Here, so consider these two functions. Cos A plus cos B. Let us consider A equal C and B equal D, like that. Cos C plus cos D. For apply cos D plus cos D for first two functions, we will get 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Understand? Minus cos C is there. So you leave it. So what about the angles in the required one? A by 2, B by 2, C by 2. Right? So but here the compound form is there. We have to change into single form. Here we can't change this angle because we don't know A minus B. Try to change this. Here A plus B plus C equal to 180. From that A plus B equal to 180 minus C. We want to find cos of A plus B plus 2. So I'm dividing both sides by 2. Now apply cos on both sides. From this we will get cos of A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Cos of 90 minus C by 2, that is equal to sin C by 2. Here 180 minus C by 2 means 180 by 2 minus C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. Cos of 90 minus C by 2 sin C by 2. Now replace the cos of A plus B by 2 by sin C by 2. And we will get 2 sin C by 2 cos of A minus B by 2 minus. So now observe the options. Cos A by 2, sin B, cos B by 2, sin C by 2 is there. Already sin C by 2 already is there in the first term. So try to express cos C in terms of sin. Just observe the required one. Sin C by 2 is the required function for C. Sin is the required function. So express cos C in terms of sin C. Cos C is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. So here we can write 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Actually we have three formulas for cos C. One is cos square C by 2 minus sin square C by 2. In terms of only cos, 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Okay, now multiplying by minus, then we will get. So minus into 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 to cos of A minus B by 2 plus 2 sin square C by 2 minus 1 plus. So now take common. 2 sin C by 2 common is there. 2 sin C by 2. What about the remaining? Cos of A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2. Understand? So up to this one, no problem. So for the first term is cos A minus B by 2. In the required expression, cos A by 2, cos B by 2, sin C by 2. Already we got sin C by 2. Just whatever the remaining cos B by 2 and cos A by 2. Already the first term is in terms of AB. Try to write sin C by 2 also in terms of AB. Already we discussed sin C by 2 equal cos A plus B by 2. Just with the help of this, we can write cos of A minus B by 2 plus sin c by 2 is nothing but cos a plus b by 2. Now these two terms are in the form of cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, 2 cos a cos b. Here a by 2 b by 2 there in place of a and b. So from this we can write 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. That's it. Just observe the required one. Minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a, that means in place of a there is a by 2. 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. This is the required answer. Just to take 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. That is the required one. Here we can write minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2 is there. This is the required one. At condition a plus b plus c 180, cos a plus cos b plus minus cos c is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Just observe the terms. Here minus is in front of c, just only minus for cos c. So just there is a change, sin c by 2 will get in the answer. If both are positive, we will get cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. If all are positive, cos a plus cos b plus cos c is there, so we will get cos c by 2 also. Okay, at angle also we will get cos function. So next come to first problem. Here sin a plus sin b minus sin c, may be asked sin a plus sin b plus sin c also. If plus sin c is there in the required one, you will get sin c by 2 at angle c also. Okay, same procedure. There is no any change. Just apply for any two functions and try to take common. Then again apply the transformations. That's it. Okay, we have to apply transformation formulas for 2 times. Okay, same process. So now take LHS. So some of the members may be approached from right side, RHS also. We can do this problem from RHS to LHS also, but it is convenient to us. So now take LHS. The condition is same, a plus b plus is 180 for this problem also. Okay. So now what is LHS? Sin a, sin b minus sin c is there. So apply formula for first two. So sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 minus sin c is there. Okay, so again observe the option right side. What the angles are a by 2, b by 2, c by 2 are there, but here there are 2 compound forms, so you can't change this into single form. So here we can change. So for this, take the condition, given condition a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Sometimes maybe give a plus b plus c 90 or 270 like that. So with respect to the given condition, we can do the problems. So sin of a plus b by 2, just a plus b by 2, a plus b is nothing but 180 minus c by 2. So a plus b by 2 is equal to, this is equal to 90 minus c by 2. Now want to find sin of a plus b by 2. So for that, just apply sin of a plus b by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus c by 2 cos c by 2. Just replace sin of a plus b by 2 by cos c by 2. 2 into sin of, 2 sin a plus b by 2 equal to cos c by 2. Okay, replace sin a plus b by 2 by cos c by 2. Cos c by 2, already cos of a minus b by 2 is there, minus, so try to express sin c all in terms of c by 2. Sin 2 theta equal to sin theta cos theta. Similarly, sin c equal to 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Now there is a common 2 cos c by 2 in both the terms. So now take 2 cos c by 2 2 cos c by 2. Then we will get cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. So already we get cos c by 2. Just remaining terms in the right hand side. Sin a by 2, sin b by 2 are required terms. So first term is contains ab. So here c, there is a c. We have to convert into ab. So already you know that c by 2, we have to find out sin c by 2 value in terms of ab. So now from this, try to take c by 2 value. From this equation, c by 2 is equal to, c by 2 equal to 90 minus of a plus b by 2. Here we have to find out sin c by 2 in terms of a. Just apply sin on both sides. So if you apply sin on both sides, sin c by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus theta cos of a plus b by 2. Just replace sin c by 2 with this one, then we will get 2 into cos c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 minus cos a plus b by 2. It is in standard form. It is in the form of cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, 2 sin a sin b. But in place of a and b, there are a by 2 and b by 2, no problem. So here we can write 2 into cos c by 2. Okay, so 2 into sin a by 2, sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Yes, it is nothing but 2 into 2, 4. 4 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, cos a by 2. That is what we require. Okay. If suppose here also plus is there, then we will get all the 4 functions are same functions. Sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. If minus is there, we get cos c by 2. If minus at b, we get a cos function at b. If suppose minus is in front of sin a, we will get 4 cos a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. If you observe clearly, you can remember this answer also. For objective point of view, it is very important. If sin a plus sin b plus sin c was given, what will be the change in the required one? We can observe the required thing. If all are positive, then we will get 4 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. If minus is at this, we are getting cos only for c. If minus is at b, we will get cos at b. If all are positive, we will get all 4 sine functions. Okay, so in this way you can remember for any structure that the condition a plus b plus c 180. Okay, let's see 2 more problems are there. Right, see this one. Here the condition is different. A plus b plus c is 90. He may be give a plus b plus c equal to 270, 360, 0 like that. What will be the condition? The procedure is same. We have to transfer some sum to product or product to sum like that. Okay, now take LHS. Here the condition is a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. At this condition, we have to find out the value of sin 2a. Now take sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. We have to find out this value in terms of product 4 cos a cos b cos c. Okay, right. So now same process, just apply for first 2 functions. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus sin 2c. Okay, So now here observe that 2 will get cancelled here and here. Then we will get 2 sine a plus b cos a minus b plus sine 2c. Just observe the answer option right hand side. 4 cos a cos b cos c. The angles are single a b c. Here compound forms are there. Same procedure. Just try to change this into single form with help of this condition. So from this a plus b is equal to 90 minus c. Now find out sine of a plus b. Apply sine on both sides. Sine a plus b is equal to sine 90 minus c, that is equal to cos c. Simply replace sine a plus b by cos c. 2 into cos c, cos of a minus b plus, so write down the formula of sine 2c in terms of c. 2 sine c cos c. Now 2 cos c common. Take common 2 cos c from the both the terms. So then we will get cos of a minus b plus sine c. So in the required one, 4 cos a cos b cos c are there. So already you get cos c. What about the required remaining cos a and cos b? Or the first term is in terms of a and b, you can't change a and a minus b also. So here try to introduce a and b terms in place of c. So by using the same relation a plus b plus c 180. Here c is equal to a plus b plus c 90. C equal to 90 minus of a plus b. So want to find sin c value. Apply sin on both sides. Sin c is equal to cos of a plus b. Because sin 90 minus a plus b equal to sin of 90 minus a plus b equal to cos a plus b. Here sin c equal to cos a plus b. Replace sin c by cos a plus b. Then we will get. So now the LHS is equal to 2 cos c into cos of a minus b plus cos a plus b. So now from this we will get cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos c into cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. That is equal to 4 cos a cos b cos c. 4 cos a cos b cos c. This is the way how to find the expression value from sum to product at the condition a plus b plus c 90. Now see the condition. A plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2. Given that a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2. At this condition, we have to prove cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2 is equal to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. So now take LHS. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2a cos 2b cos 2c. Again here also same process, we have to change addition to product, sum to product, you have to apply transformations. So take any two out of these three. Now cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c is there. We don't know which formula is best for this problem, either in terms of cos or in terms of sin. Just keep it. That's it. So later we will discuss with the help of this one. Next, so observe that here 2 will get cancelled here also. Then we will get 2 into cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c is there. So in the required answer, there are only sin A, sin B, sin C, just single angles are there. Again, same process, you can't change this angle. So you can change this angle with the help of the given angle. So a plus b is equal to 3 pi by 2 minus c. 3 pi by 2 minus c. So now apply cos on both sides. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos of 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Cos of 3 pi by 2 minus c. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 3 pi by 2 minus theta is angle in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative and multiple of 90 is odd, so cos changes to sin. Sin c. Okay, next, cos a plus b equal to minus sin c, write down here, we will get minus 2 sin c, minus 2 sin c, what about the remaining? Cos of a minus b, plus cos 2c is there. For the c angle, there is sin function, so write down cos 2c in terms of sin c, understand? Right, cos 2c equal to 1 minus 2 sin square c. So now take 2 sin c common. So here plus 1 is there. 1 minus, take minus 2 sin c common from these two. Okay, minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b plus sin c. So we are taking minus 2 sin c common. So here also you will get positive term. And here also will get positive term, sin c. So observe the remaining terms. Already sin c is there. So what are the remaining terms in the required one? Sin a, sin b, sin c. Already sin c is there. So what are the required terms here? Sin b and sin c. Sin a and sin b. It is in terms of a and b. Here also you have to write sin c in terms of a, b. So sin c is nothing but minus of cos a plus b. Sin c is there. We have to express in terms of a, b. So sin c in terms of a, b. This is the relation. What is the relation? Minus sin c equal this one. Sin c equal minus of cos a plus b. So here substitute this one. Minus 2 sin c cos of a minus b is there. Minus cos of a plus b. With the help of this one. Understand? So here, okay, this is not wrong. Okay, right. So minus sin c equal cos a plus b. Sin c equal to minus of cos a plus b just. So this is a direct formula. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. 2 sin a sin b. Here we will get 1 minus 2 sin c is there into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. 2 sin a sin b. So now here we will get 1 minus 4 into sin A, sin B, sin C. Okay, this is the value for cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c at a plus b plus c 3 pi by 2. Whatever it may be the relation, the procedure is same. Okay, so if a plus b plus c 3 pi by 2, this is the same procedure. If a plus b plus c is pi, procedure is same. Okay, right. See next problem. So now see this. In a triangle ABC, that means condition is same, a plus b plus c 180. But here the squares are there. Sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c is equal to 2 sin a sin b cos. Okay, now take LHS. So now the first problem, before going to that, there are transformation formula for square functions. Sin square a minus sin square b, cos square a minus sin square b. So if you have clear idea about that, this problem is very easy, very easy. Otherwise, by changing into first degree function, you can follow the procedure what we have done in the previous sessions. Okay. So here there are two methods. We can do any one. The first method is by using the square formulas for transformation sin square A minus sin square B cos square A minus cos square B. Otherwise, by change the second degree functions into first degree functions, we can follow the same procedure what we have used in the previous problems. Okay, so the first one, so now take LHS. Here the LHS is equal to sin square A plus sin square B minus sin square C. Sin square A plus sin square B minus sin square C. Here also same, we have to change this the sum of term to product of terms. We have to apply transformations, but the functions are square functions. So here there is a formula for this. Clearly this is in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. We have formula for sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin square A minus sin square B equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Just apply same formula for the last two terms. Here we get sin square A plus sin A plus B into sin A. That means sin B plus C into sin B minus C. Okay. So now again same process. In the right side option, right side, the angles are in ABC. Just verify the right side part. The functions are sin function, sin A, sin B, cos. The angles are ABC. So here compound angles are there. Just we have to change the compound angle into single form with help of A plus B plus C 180. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So want to change B plus C. We can't change B minus C. So from this B plus C is equal to B plus C equal to 180 minus A. So now sin B plus C is there, apply sin both sides. Sin of B plus C is equal to sin 180 minus A, sin A. So now replace sin B plus C by sin A. Here we will get sin square A plus sin A into sin B minus C. And compare with the previous problems, this method is very easy. This is very easy problem. Okay, now take common term. Sin A is a common. Sin A plus sin B minus C. So in right hand side there are two sin A, sin B and cos A are there. Sin A is already we got. So what about the remaining? Sin B and sin C, sin B and cos C. So already it is in terms of BC, just write down sin A also in terms of BC. Sin A is nothing but sin B plus C. Just with the help of this, write down sin A value. Sin A, sin B plus C plus sin B minus C. Sin A into sin A plus B plus sin A is 2 sin A cos B, like that, 2 sin B cos C. So now the total final answer is 2 into sin A sin B cos C. This is the answer. Okay, now see the second problem. What is the second problem? Now take LHS, cos square A, cos square B minus cos square C. So now we have a formula for these two. We know the formula for cos square A minus cos square B, that is equal to minus sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Okay, so same formula apply for these two, then we will get cos square A minus sin B plus C into sin B minus C. Sin B minus C. So try to change this function into in terms of angle A. So already B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Sin B plus C is equal to sin A. Just replace sin B plus C by sin A. Understand? So here we are getting sin A function, but in options also, in right side part also sin A is there. Just change in terms of sign. 1 minus sin square A minus sin A, sin of B minus C is there. Just now take minus sin A common. Sin A plus sin B minus C is there. Again write sin A equal to sin B plus C. 1 minus sin A into sin B plus C. Here already is there sin A equal to sin B plus C. You have to apply formula for these two. Here sin B minus C is there. Here we have to express this also in terms of BC. Sin B plus C plus sin B minus C. So this is nothing but 2 sin B cos C. Simply write down the formula. That's it. That is the answer. 2 sin B cos C. Just verify the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, right. Thank you for this session.